Hi, I'm Megan Kaluza, and I'm one of the educators that met with the district today to bargain over deferred net payment. I'm happy to report that we've presented some proposals and are hopeful we're seeing movement in the right direction. We've had discussions back and forth on the following potential solutions. SFUSD must create accessible ways for members to engage with the paycheck issues and the fixes. SFUSD management should move up the agreed upon November payment of $2,000 to the July paycheck. The district should partner with an outside organization to set up a loan program for members who need financial assistance to offset the lower July paycheck. To address the hardships connected to DNP, we've demanded that SFUSD provide a one-time additional compensation separate from the agreed upon June and November stipends that should come from SFUSD's rainy day fund. SFUSD needs to provide one in-person financial consultation for members at no cost to the member and a one-to-one tax consultation. To be clear, these are not agreements, but some of the solutions we're pushing to address the issues. We have negotiations again next week with the district where we will see their counter proposals. And on Tuesday, we need everyone to show up to the Board of Education meeting in support of SFUSD meeting our demands and making our members whole. We'll be sending out a toolkit in the Friday email blast for folks to join Tuesday at 5 p.m. If you have any additional questions, please email ask-uesf@uesf.org and someone will get back to you. Thank you.